Alright, here's the neighbor's house, here's the other neighbor's house, here's the cul-de-sac, here's the yard. Alright, I don't know what kind of bush that is. This here. Alright, here's the yard, front. Got a big old tree there. That's probably some kind of oak. Alright. Well, around the Suburban here, here's the other part of the front yard. Here's more of that cul-de-sac. The Queen Palm deer. Short, fat one. Here's the property line. Here's the house at one time. Alright, here. Oh, yeah. Alright, walk around here. There's the shed. There's the back of the house. The air conditioning. Look at this beautiful deck. Alright. Ground. Bottom of the deck. There's some stairs. Fir trees. Here's a good plot of bamboo that's growing. Yeah, these things grow nuts here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is a beauty. Yeah, that's what a bamboo looks like. Alright. More bamboo. What kind of tree that is. What kind of tree. Well, up. Side of the house, there's a chimney for a fireplace. There's the other deck. Here's looking underneath everything. He's one more. Alright, junk. Alright, chain link fence. What else we got here? Okay. Here's underneath the house. Underneath the house. Shed. Oh, look at this wonderful stuff. Spiders. Oh, yeah. Here's a storage. Well, we don't have any light in here. I don't think you can see anything in here. No light. No see. Alright. Here's the new room bed. The backyard. Here's a back deck. This is alright. Nice bricks. Yeah. There you go. Here's this. Piece of crap. And there's some of this stuff in here. Let's see. Some trees, lots of big trees. This is a pretty tree here. This thing's beautiful. There's lots of shade around. There's the backyard. There's a on the outside. Alright. We'll go inside here. Back of the trailer. Wonderfully made. Oops. Alright. There you go. Go up there. Here's your patio door. Okay. Your kitchen. It's going to be a little dark in here because I don't have any light. Look at this kitchen. Woo! It's the hallway. Look at that air vent. Oh, that's a beauty. Here is beautiful walls. Look at this bathroom. All right. Nice coloring. Full color. Closet in there. Alright. Same paneling throughout the whole house. Here's the master bedroom. The closet. Check out this beautiful bath. Oh, if you can be able to see. Check out that. A little bit dark in here. I don't know if get her. I'll have to take the little pictures later. From very small. Here's the second bedroom. Here's the attic steps. I can't see a whole lot going up there. Here's the third bedroom. Nice paneling. Oh, beauty. Now, these just got ceiling fans in here. Alright, that's it.